In this lecture, I would like to introduce you to the C# section of the course and show you the syllabus and give you an overview of everything that you're going to learn in the C# section. The C# section is about 10 hours worth of video content, and it builds the fundamentals for you to be able to work with Selenium WebDriver utilizing the C# bindings. The C# section will teach you everything that you need to know for C# without going into too much detail so that you can do your job as a QA automation engineer. We're going to begin by teaching you C# and Visual Studio. You're basically going to learn different types of downloads and different projects. Afterwards, Dr. Tiffany is going to teach you two variables and strings. Next, you're going to learn the types of Visual Studio projects, especially the unit test project, which is going to become important to you as you're learning how to utilize Selenium WebDriver. Next, you're going to learn math and if statements. You're going to learn the different kinds of operators, and you're going to learn how to use the if condition, which is, of course, the very fundamental thing of any kind of programming language. Next, you're going to learn the C# classes and the methods. You're going to learn how to create a method, what public void means, what the method signature is, and much more. Afterwards, you're going to learn loops and switch statements. You're going to learn the different kinds of loops and how to use a switch statement to iterate through different kinds of conditions. Next, you're going to learn methods. Here you're going to take a deep dive into methods. You're going to understand everything about methods, how to pass in different parameters, how to pass in optional parameters, how to have different signatures for methods, how to override methods, and any kinds of knowledge related to methods in programming. Next, we're going to get into object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is critical to be an amazing test automation engineer. We're not going to cover this section in full detail like many other languages or books do, but you're going to learn enough so that you can do test automation with Selenium WebDriver without any problems. Next, you're going to learn how to handle exceptions. Exceptions are always going to arise, and you're going to need to know how to handle them and what to do with those exceptions. Afterwards, you're going to learn the application of C# to the actual Selenium WebDriver framework. There's not going to be the same framework that we're going to learn through the Selenium WebDriver course, but it's another sample Selenium WebDriver framework that is going to have all the knowledge applied to it. Dr. Tiffany is going to explain to you how the Selenium WebDriver framework works, and then she'll explain it to you in context of C# so that you can use all of your skills that you just learned to understand everything that goes on in the framework. And after all of that is complete, we're going to get ready to move on into learning Selenium WebDriver.